Shandong Sishui High-end Food Processing Machine Co., Ltd., formerly state-owned, Shandong Flour Machinery Factory, founded in 1951, is a national high-tech enterprise unit. Now it has more than 100 patented technologies. It integrates design, production, manufacturing, sales installation, and commissioning, personnel training, after-sales service. The company covers an area of more than 60,000 square meters, including 20,000 square meters of processing workshop. With a registered capital of 12 million CNY, the company has strong economic strength, excellent production environmental conditions, advanced production technology and equipment, mature production and manufacturing system, rich production and manufacturing experience, high-quality staff, first-class R&D level, and implements strict operation specifications and product inspection standards to ensure the high quality of products and services. The company's leading product is a complete set of green flour processing equipment, which can undertake the turnkey project of a complete set of production equipment for daily processing of corn, barley flour, corngrass and flour, rice, millet, sorghum flour of 10 to 500 tons per hour. The company has successfully developed equipment for oat flaking, buckwheat flakes. The products sell well in more than 20 provinces, cities and autonomous regions in China, and are exported to Sweden, South Korea, Japan, Mongolia, Iran, the Philippines, Nigeria, Algeria, Angola, Ethiopia, Mozambique, Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda and other countries and regions in Africa, Europe and South America. The firm is an ISO 9001-2008 certification company. SGS and CE certification mean that the quality of the machine is very important to the manufacturer and customers. We do our best to provide customers with the best service and products. We promise that once our service starts, we will be responsible to the end.